Hi there. In today's video, we're going to put together a card of the month for March 2024. Let's get started. Alright, I have them all stacked the way that they're to go in order. But I'll do the sentiment later before, when I'm done. So this card is super easy, and you can use any paper, pattern paper that you like. You just line it up in the corner here and along the side. Okay, move this out the way. And I'm going to go over it with my brayer. And that's what we got. This is a digital pattern paper from Creative Fabrica. I'll link it below. It's really pretty. It's supposed to be like alcohol ink with glitter. Now we're going to glue this onto our card matting. Just get the border around. A little bit more to the left if I can do it. Let's see. I was able to peel it back up because I did not push down. A little more to the top. And that looks good. I'm going to use my brayer to help get a good adhesion again. Alright. Now, I'm going to put it on the card base. I'm doing a 10 fold, over the top fold. I don't know what you'd call it. Alright. And I'm going to glue it to my card base. It's really fast and easy card to do. The most problem you'll have is picking out pattern papers. Unless you have one, unless you use at least or only one pattern, then it won't be as bad to decide on paper. But if you use a pattern here or a color here and a pattern here, you might have a little bit of, indecisiveness. I know I do. Alright. So that's on there. And I'm going to glue down the sentiment that says "You're fabulous." This free design space um, file is 100% free to cut because it's made with all basic shapes. Trying to get it lined up. Alright. Will be available in the group Cricut Explorer Maker and More, which I help admin. So I hope somebody comes and shares what they've made with this file.